through the right hand on Hometown Pride first. 3, 2, 1, 4, 1. That's a tie, so we hold it. We don't play it again. 4, 4, 2, 3, 5. Another tie. Remember, those ties are the smiles and frowns between lines, between the same note. And then 5, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5. Another tie. 3, 2, 1, 4, 1. On line 3, where it says F, we have to move up to get to F, A, F. 3, 5, 3. Stay there and play 2 for E and 4 for G. And then on the last line where there's a printed 4, we're going to move back down. 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I like to just do a sneaky pinky at the end. 5, 5, 4, 3. So now try the right hand with me at the beginning, and we'll talk about adding the ties. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, set, play. 3, 2, 1, 4, 1. Now we have a half note tied to a quarter, so that's 3 beats. Just right hand. And now 4, 4, 2. Now 3. Now the 5 is another 3-beat tie because it's a half note tied to a quarter. 5, 5, 3. Just right hand on line 2. 2, then 4. 2, 5, 4, 3, 5. 3, 2, 1. Next line is line 3. Just right hand, please. And it's 4, then 1. Let's count those ties out. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now move up quickly. 3, 5, 3. Did you move up? If yours sounded like this, you're in the wrong place. You need to move up to D position and play 3, 5, 3, 2, 4. On the last line, we can move back down to C position. 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try that. Now, move your right hand up 1 note and play 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, run through the left hand real quick. We're starting with 1 on A. And then 1 and 5, C and G. 1 and 2. These are a second. And then 1 and 5. Now 1 goes to A. 1 goes back to G. Now this is my favorite part. 3, 4, 5. E, D, C is 3, 4, 5 there. Then on the last line, we're playing 1 and 2. And that's a tie. Now, how many beats is that tie? Whole note, hold it is 4, 8, right. And then the last notes are 1 and 5. We call this an interval of a fifth. 1 and 2 are an interval of a second. Okay, when you put it together, it'll sound like this. Let me give you a concert. To slow down a little bit at the end. I think you will like this one now that you know how to play the hands separate.